Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop what you are doing right now because I found the definition of a dream home kitchen. This is insane. It's Modern Tudor meets organic warmth, and honestly, I am obsessed with the vibe. They nailed it. First, let's talk about the drama. That red brick wall? Shut the front door. It instantly gives this space major character. They used a herringbone pattern right behind the range, making it the total focal point, and it contrasts perfectly with the creamy overhead hood. And the way they paired that rustic brick with these smooth, creamy white cabinets, total perfection. It's so rich and cozy. The layout is a game changer. We're talking about a kitchen that's probably 18 feet by 14 feet, so it has room to breathe. Look at this massive island. It's like 8 feet long. Plenty of space for prep or just hanging out while pretending to cook. But the absolute best part? The light. The window bank is huge, easily 10 feet wide, bathing to built-in breakfast nook and sunshine. Imagine sipping coffee right there on that cozy banquette seating. It is giving major Sunday morning vibes. So many kitchens feel sterile or cramped, right? But this one uses natural wood tones, like the gorgeous light oak cabinetry, to bring that organic, warm feel in. It feels grand thanks to the high ceilings, maybe 9 feet 6 inches high, but still totally welcoming. It's elegant without being stuffy. This is how you do high-end design. Seriously, this kitchen is everything. It makes cooking feel like a lifestyle, not a chore. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.